Pregnancy begins with a moment so small it's invisible, a single sperm meeting an egg in the fallopian tube. This miraculous event is the very first step in the creation of a new human life, and it happens in a matter of seconds, deep within the body, unseen by the naked eye. This union creates a zygote, a unique cell carrying genetic information from both parents. The zygote is the very first cell of a new individual, containing all the instructions needed to build a human being. The zygote quickly divides, forming a cluster of cells called a blastocyst. Each division is a step toward complexity, as the single cell multiplies into dozens, then hundreds of cells, all working together in perfect harmony. The blastocyst travels to the uterus, where it implants into the nutrient-rich lining, marking the official start of pregnancy. This crucial moment allows the developing life to draw nourishment and continue growing. From here, the cells rapidly multiply, expanding at an astonishing rate. In just a short time, what began as a single cell becomes a complex structure. Some cells become the baby, while others form the placenta, the lifeline that provides oxygen, nutrients, and removes waste, supporting the growing embryo every step of the way. The mother's body now supports this new life, beginning a 9-month journey of transformation. Her body adapts in countless ways, nurturing and protecting the developing baby. Every person on Earth began this way, a tiny spark, growing into a new human. It's a universal story, shared by all of humanity. The process is complex, beautiful, and a testament to the magic of life. Each stage is a delicate dance of biology and time, unfolding with remarkable precision. In just a few days, a single cell becomes a thriving cluster, ready to grow into a baby. The transformation is rapid, yet every detail is carefully orchestrated. The journey has only just begun, but the foundation for a new life is already set. The future holds endless possibilities as this tiny being continues to develop. Let's follow this incredible transformation, step by step, and witness the wonder of life as it unfolds before our eyes. From a microscopic spark, a new story unfolds, one that will grow, change, and eventually enter the world as a brand new life. The first trimester is a time of astonishing transformation. Your baby grows from a tiny cluster of cells, almost invisible to the naked eye, into something truly remarkable. In just a few short weeks, those cells organize and multiply, gradually taking on the shape of a tiny, recognizable human being. Major organs and body systems begin to form at a breathtaking pace, including the heart, which starts beating around 6 weeks, sending the first pulses of life through your baby's body. By 12 weeks, your baby has arms, legs, fingers, toes, and even tiny defined facial features, each one a testament to the miracle of development. Though still small, your baby is already active, moving, making fists, and even hiccuping, practicing the motions of life, even though you can't feel it just yet. For mothers, this stage brings a whirlwind of changes, fatigue, morning sickness, and shifting emotions, as your body works overtime to adapt and support new life. These symptoms, though sometimes challenging, are reassuring signs that your body is working hard to nurture and protect your growing baby. By the end of the first trimester, the risk of miscarriage drops significantly, and most of your baby's major development is complete, bringing a sense of relief and hope. The foundation is set. Now it's time for your baby to grow stronger, preparing for the incredible journey ahead. The second trimester, months 4 to 6, is often the most comfortable phase of pregnancy, bringing a sense of relief and renewed energy for many mothers-to-be. Early symptoms like nausea and fatigue usually fade, energy returns, and your baby bump becomes more visible, making the experience feel even more real and exciting. The highlight of this stage is feeling your baby move for the very first time, a magical moment that creates a deep emotional connection between you and your growing child. Your baby grows rapidly, developing senses like hearing and touch, forming unique fingerprints, and even starting to respond to sounds from the outside world. By the third trimester, your baby gains weight quickly, their brain and lungs mature, and every movement becomes stronger and more noticeable as birth approaches. For mothers, the third trimester can be tiring. Backaches, swelling, and more frequent checkups are common, making self-care and support from loved ones especially important. It's a time to slow down, rest, and prepare both your body and mind for the journey of birth and parenthood ahead. Every kick and wiggle is a precious reminder of the miracle growing inside, filling each day with anticipation and wonder. The final stretch is all about patience, preparation, and cherishing these last moments before your baby arrives. Soon, you'll meet the new life you've been nurturing, and your journey as a parent will truly begin. Pregnancy, or gestation, lasts about 40 weeks. Each week a vital milestone for your baby's development. Doctors track these weeks to ensure healthy growth. Babies born before 37 weeks are considered premature. Due dates are estimates. Most babies arrive between 38 and 42 weeks. As the end approaches, the mother's body prepares for birth. The baby drops lower, and practice contractions may begin. This is a time for anticipation and preparation, attending classes, setting up the nursery, and learning about labor. Understanding the process helps reduce anxiety and empowers parents. The final countdown is here, the culmination of months of growth and change. Soon, the wait will be over. Childbirth marks the end of pregnancy and the start of a new life. Labor begins with contractions that open the cervix, followed by the delivery of the baby. The mother pushes with each contraction, bringing her baby into the world, a moment of effort, joy, and relief. Babies can be born vaginally or by cesarean section, depending on what's safest for mother and child. After birth, the placenta is delivered, completing the process. From a single cell to a newborn, this journey is a true miracle. It's a testament to the strength and resilience of mothers everywhere. The process deserves our deepest respect and admiration. From spark to new life, every birth is a wonder. Welcome to the world, little one.